man. It's freezing in here. Just came in. I'm watching it here.
Is it turning on?
Do you have another igniter?
Are you fucking for real? Is it the flame sensor or the igniter?
Igniter.
You gotta be joking me. It's not glowing?
No. Gas valve's coming on. See, the gas valve came on, but the igniter's not going. How do I shut it down now? I just replaced that igniter not that long ago. Like, oh, I guess it's like 5 years ago now. In there. We blew up now. Whoa, that's too much flame in there. What? Whoa, don't be trying to catch you on fire over here.
Alright, here.
Hold my light.
Is it lit?
No, right now. Alright, take it out. She gets light.
I'm gonna take that cover off. Pretty late in the morning. We got a call for instant equipment. And they charge you $200 to come out at night to fix it.
Yeah, they,
That's not the cost. That's not counting the labor and the parts and it's plus the...
not that bad though.
No, but it's annoying when you have to do it right away, you know what I mean? Because it's cold out.
It's probably been a long time since this thing's even been cleaned.
Yeah, I probably haven't changed it since we replaced it.
I mean, you haven't cleaned it since you replaced it.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You said you haven't changed it since you replaced it.
I don't think I cleaned it since we replaced it. It's usually good for like 2 or 4 years, 5 years. Or I could use a clean. So I said you might as well take it out and do that first. That would be why it would shut off though.
Yeah.
And that would not let it restart, so maybe it is what caused it to not run. You know what I mean? So I would try and just start it up again when you get that clean and see if it fires back up now. You know? Because of the, you know, I don't know. I would just try it by itself without lighting it.
If it was a flame sensor, it would light and then it would shut itself off and try to relay again.
Yeah, then after like the second time now it won't relight. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but it didn't light at all.
Well, it just comes on slowly and it glows, the igniter.
I know what the igniter does.
The computer there might not be lighting it after the flame sensor tripped it. You know what I'm saying? How does it look?
Looks a little bit crusty.
It doesn't take much.
Not
Alright, get the wire brush and clean it up.
not too bad on there.
Get the
Though.
wire brush. If it doesn't work, then take it off if you want.
Yeah, I can probably see in here how many pills we got. How many flashes we got. Got no glove here.
I don't see no glove. It's going right about now.
Right now it should be. Yep, there's a gas valve.
Yeah, I heard it.
Glow. Gas. We're fired.
Fire in the hole.
Houston, we got ignition. Oh,
Oh, what happened? Why'd it go out? Did it go out?
yeah. Let me take this cover off and see what kind of flashing we got. Let's try it again right now. So it's almost been a month since the last time when I fixed this thing, and it's been running fine since. So we had to replace the igniter and the flame sensor, which they both went bad at the same exact time, which I didn't really think that would happen, but it kind of surprised us that they went out the exact same time. So here's the number for that igniter on here. Cancer warnings for California. What is it? That furnace is a Ducane, but which ones are they? The same ones. Ducane and I can't think of it right now, but they're the same exact thing basically. Same exact furnace, but so just want to add this to the end of the video. I didn't get to well, I thought it was working fine, but it just relit itself and the blower's still on. I'm not sure what that was about, but I'm actually kind of glad I caught that on camera though. I don't know why I did that. But other than that, it's been working perfectly fine, so I thought I heard it do that the other night, but I'm pretty sure he put the new flame sensor in it. I don't know. Maybe he forgot what he was doing or something. I still gotta pick up my tools. It's all flooded down here, so. Now is it gonna turn itself back on? No, it's... Huh. So, anyways, have a great day, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. I still got a lot more videos to upload. I'm falling behind on the ones cleaning the house out. I got like 5 of them saved up. Butterbean. So, yeah, see you in the next one.